Welcome to SAS Base Certification Prep course for beginners, Part 1 and Part 2. This full SAS Base Certification Prep course is divided into two parts. Part 1, Data Manipulation and Modification on Variables, and Part 2, Datasets, Modification, and Data Analysis. Together, these two parts form a comprehensive preparation program for the SAS Certified Base Programming certification. This course is ideal for complete beginners with no prior experience in SAS. It's designed to help you prepare for two key certifications, the SAS Certified Specialist and SAS Certified Associate, which is a junior level of SAS-based certification. And remember, the associate exam is not a required step before taking the specialist exam. Many students successfully take SAS Certified Specialist exam directly. Here is what you can expect from this course. You get 24/7 access to the pre-recorded and self-paced lectures. Each lectures start with key concepts and coding rules, followed by hands-on SAS programming sessions. We run SAS codes, explain the code line by line, and interpret results and address system messages and troubleshoot errors. Plus, you will get quizzes, coding exercise, downloadable course materials, and real-world projects to reinforce your learning. You will use SAS On Demand for Academics, which is a free web-based version of SAS Studio. Although the course was originally created using SAS University Edition, it's now fully updated and compatible with SAS On Demand for Academics. Setup instructions are included in Section 1. We value your feedback. Please leave your honest course reading and let us know what you think. If you have any questions, reach out to us at Statistical Programming at gmail.com. We typically respond within 24 to 48 hours. Again, thank you for your interest and support.